Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make an easy 4-layer flower which can be used to decorate your accessories like your hats, belts, bags or even your baby clothes and baby blankets. I use portrait yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. You can try it with any yarn that you have. Before going to the tutorial, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It means a lot to me. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Now let us move on to the tutorial. Begin with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers and slide the ring out of your fingers. The free end of the yarn should be on your left hand side. Now start with a chain. Chain 1. Make an SC into the ring. That is single crochet. Then chain 5. Single crochet into the ring. You have a loop now. You need to make 4 more loops. So chain 5. Single crochet into the ring. Again make chain 5, single crochet into the ring. You can tighten the ring by pulling the free end of the yarn. That's one more loop. Again the final one, chain 5. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch. This will be the topmost layer of the flower. Now you need to take the yarn behind the loops. For that you make chain 1. And now make a slip stitch in the space between the next 2 single crochets. You see that space in the ring? So make a slip stitch there. So now your yarn is secured behind the loop. Make chain 5. This will count as the double crochet and chain 2. Now make a double crochet behind the next loop in the space between the 2 single crochets. So there in that space make a double crochet. That is your first space. Now make chain 2 and make a double crochet behind the loop between the 2 single crochets. So that's my second chain 2 space. Make one more. So totally you need to make 5. This will be the final one, chain 2, and join with a slip stitch to the third chain at the beginning. We worked 5 chains, so work a slip stitch into the third chain. We'll make the next round of stitches into these chain 2 spaces. This will form the second layer of the flower. Chain 2. Make 4 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Chain 2. single crochet in next double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet next double crochet. Repeat this around. So I've completed this round. Now join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. That is the second layer of the flower. If you are using a new color for each layer, just cut off the yarn and attach the new color at the next petal, the center of the next petal, and start working with the new color. Since I am using the same color, I'll have to secure the yarn behind the next petal, so chain 2 and now work a slip stitch in the center of next petal. So now my yarn is secured behind the next layer. Now chain 4 and now work a single crochet behind the next petal or into the next petal from behind. Chain 4, next single crochet in the next petal, again chain 4, single crochet in the center of next petal, join to the beginning of the round with the slip stitch. Now chain 2 and into the 4 chain space work 6 double crochets. Chain 2, single crochet in next stitch, chain 2, 6 double crochet in the next space, chain 2, single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, repeat this around. Now the third layer is also done. Again chain 3 and take the yarn to the next petal. Make a slip stitch at the center of next petal. Make chain 6. Single crochet at the center of the next petal. Again chain 6. Single crochet in next petal. Repeat this around. Okay, now join with the slip stitch to the beginning of the round. Make chain 2, 8 double crochets in the chain 6 space. Chain 2, single crochet in next stitch. Repeat this around. Chain 2, 8 double crochets in the chain 6 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next stitch. So this will form the final layer of your flower. Here's your completed flower. You can add beads or buttons to the center. You can also decorate with ribbons. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like button. I will meet you in another video. Bye bye.